SocialSend is the most advanced automated social media syndication service on the internet. It will increase your social signals fast. Social signals such as Facebook likes and shares, Twitter retweets, Pinterest repins, LinkedIn shares, and the list keeps going. SocialSend also increases your website traffic by sending visitors to your site directly from the social sites themselves. And if you need high authority backlinks, then SocialSend gets them for you too. Social signals, social links, and social traffic are loved by Google, so you can be sure to get some true organic growth in the search engines. SocialSend can do an incredible job due to the syndication team concept. Instead of only Stacy posting her content to her own social media and bookmarking sites and working alone, with SocialSend, she is now part of a unified team which has hundreds of people posting and distributing her content to their social media sites on a daily basis. It's called crowd marketing, and we've perfected it. Our team system causes an instant buzz around her content, sends visitors to her sites, and gives Google exactly what they need to rank her site higher in the search engine. But there's even more going on. SocialSend makes sure all the links built using the system get indexed and credited. This is done by creating further backlinks to your social links and pinging them. SocialSend also gains friends, followers, and adds favorites on the social sites themselves. This ensures all the social accounts in the system get worked on just the way they should be. But don't let all the technical SEO jargon confuse you. If some of the points don't make much sense, then don't worry. The best part about SocialSend is that it's fully automated. This means you don't need to be concerned about making a mistake, and you don't need to spend hours of time manually posting to the social sites. Just add your social sites and run the automated software. Leave the rest to the team. All you need to worry about is adding the posts you want to promote, and then sit back and watch the traffic roll in. Stacy is extremely happy now because SocialSend does all the hard work for her while she sits back, attracts new visitors, gains more customers, and increases sales. Are you ready to join the team with Stacy? Try SocialSend risk-free today and get ready for a flood of new visitors for your business.